Alright, so I already filmed the cinematics. Now I just have to figure out a place where to actually film the, tour of the car. So yeah, we're gonna just start up the car real quick. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm filming this vlog on a new camera, so please let me know how it is. If it's bad, I will switch back to my iPhone, but yeah, just let me know how it is, because this camera's from like 2014, so yeah. Well, I was about to, okay, there we go. I was about to reveal the car, but the stupid RAV4 was not moving. He's finally moving though, thank God. Okay, anyway, so this is my 2000, here, let me get out for this actually. Okay, so this is my 2001 BMW 325 Ci. It is an E46 for people who don't know the specific model numbers for these BMWs. This is an E46, and yeah, it is a 325 Ci. And well, yeah, I got this thing shortly after my Mustang crashed. I forget when I bought it, but yeah, I crashed the Mustang on July 15th, and it was about a week before I looked for a new car. So yeah. Here it is. It is a coupe, and according to most people, they say the coupes are pretty rare for the E46s. So I think this is a very nice find, honestly. And I already have some mods done, so I don't think these wheels are stock. These came with the car. I do not think they're stock though, but they do have a BMW emblem on them. So that leads me to think they could be stock, but I really doubt it. One mod I got is tinted the windows. So yeah, it looks very nice, especially on white cars. I love window tint like that. So yeah, that's very cool. And the most recent mod I've gotten is right here, the black grille, which you may saw in the cinematics. While I was on the highway on the way home, I believe from the dealership, my front BMW logo just decided to fly off of the car, you know? It just decided to fly off of the car. So now we just have this orange, like, disgusting muck here. So, yeah, we're not gonna worry about that though. And sorry if the video is sometimes out of focus. This camera only has, like, manual focus. So I'm really trying to manage like that. So, yeah, it's kind of hard. But anyway, so yeah, the car looks amazing though. It's in amazing condition, and most of the E46 is actually over 100,000 miles, and it's really rare to find one under 100,000. Yet again, maybe even 90,000. But mine actually has roughly 82,000 miles on the clock, and that's cool. I love when your headlights are on because there's like glows orange in the interior. I think that's the coolest thing ever. And something else that's very cool right here. So the dash actually used to be kind of a grayish black, but I changed it to white because I don't know. I just really like the white. So yeah, I just think white looks a lot more retro. And yeah, I think it's very cool. And yeah, I'm trying to think of another mod I did to the car. Oh, yeah. Okay, some of you also saw in the cinematics here. I'll get in here for this one. The new shifter right here. As you can see, this was actually costing me $16 on AliExpress, I believe. There was some going for like $90, but this one is pretty much the same build quality. It is really nice, and well, yeah, this is the new shifter that is on the car. The shifter that was on it before was this stupid wood grain texture that's all over the car. I don't like this wood grain texture. A lot of people have already called it a grandpa shifter. So yeah. So yeah, this trim will actually be getting fixed soon. I already fixed that. So I will likely be painting this, plasti dipping this, hydro dipping, or wrapping it kind of a gloss black like how this is. I would do it in this leather, like some Alcantara, like I'll probably do with the steering wheel soon. But it's just a lot of work, and I'd rather just like, yeah. I just think it's easier to do it the other way. So yeah. But yeah, that is all the mods I got done to so far, unless you count that air freshener I have right there. I'm actually gonna remove that because it's giant and it's just plopped in the middle of there, and it does not look the best, honestly. It's just, yeah, I had to remove it for the cinematics because it was not photogenic. Let me know in the comments below if you think this is better than a V6 Mustang or better than a 2007 Rust Bucket Silverado. I think it is, and the people that know about this car already also think it is very cool. I'm just gonna kind of kick the door closed. So yeah, I forget if I said, but this thing has 184 horsepower, is a 325 Ci. This has the inline 6. It's not the twin turbo inline 6, obviously. Now, I could have gotten an M3. M3s are pretty affordable, actually, and they're not much expensiver than this, but I wanted a really mint car and something that would last me a while, unlike my other cars that I've had. So this was a good find. This was a good find. So yeah, mods that I'm gonna do in the future. Well, I'm not sure, honestly. Exterior mods, it's gonna be pretty much stock. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I am ordering new BMW logos, so I will be getting a new one. It's not gonna be a stock BMW logo though. It's gonna be kind of a, you'll see what it is. And that goes the same for back here. Gosh, I'm doing a lot of walking for this video. Back here already has a really good BMW logo, but I'm going to be replacing this one as well. So yeah. And also, I'm not sure what I'm I'm gonna do yet. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to change out the 325 Ci logo with just nothing and just have it be nothing, or do you want me to black it out? Just let me know. And I actually already have new taillights for this thing. I have the refresh taillights, which are LEDs. These ones are pretty good. They're not bad, but they just have slight issues with them. When I got them from the dealer, they were like, this specific taillight was out, and I don't know why. But yeah, if I get the exposure over here, I accidentally caused a crack in it because yeah, I was hitting the taillight to like fix it, and it would fix it, but yeah, I accidentally caused a crack on the taillight. So yeah, I already have to replace them. But yeah, that's okay, because you know, it's whatever. But yeah, obviously we'll be replacing this one too. So yeah, none other than the tune. I'm also gonna replace this exhaust. Probably not the whole exhaust, but I am gonna chop the muffler off, which is under here, and replace it with a single exit exhaust. It's gonna be probably this big around. It's gonna be crazy. But yeah, it's gonna be replaced with a single exit exhaust, which I think is gonna look really cool for the car, since I do not want to spend my money on an M3 bumper that's gonna cross here and then like the quad exhaust right there. I don't want to do that. Speaking of M3, I'm also probably going to get an M3 front bumper, since I only have the 325 Ci front bumper, obviously. So yeah, I'm probably going to get an M3 front bumper. I'm also going to lower it. So the current height you see is I'm just gonna be just a tiny bit lower, just a tiny bit. But first, before I lower it, I'm getting spacers, because the car currently does not stick out all the way, as you can see. It does not. So I'm going to get spacers for the car, because yeah, the only thing I'm doing that is I do not want to buy lowering springs if this thing looks good stock height with spacers. And if this thing looks good on stock height with spacers, I am not lowering this thing because it's a little pricey. So yeah. But something I don't need to do is get a new stereo, because if I turn the radio up just a little bit, just for a second, you can hear that it's really good. So yeah, the radio is really good already. These are Harman Kardon speakers. I believe these are on all the BMWs, if it can focus. Yeah, Harman Kardon right there. So yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, I'm very happy with this thing, honestly. Just extremely happy with this thing. And pretty much POV drives, if I do them, they will be with this phone mount that I have gripped here. My phone grips right here, and it's very useful. As you can see, it's mounted right there, and it works very well. It just points straight out to the dash. So yeah, the interior liner is like peeling for some reason, so I'm gonna have to fix that. It's wrinkling. And back there, if you look, if I can hold my camera steady, you will see that it's also kind of doing a little something there. And if you guys are wondering, this thing's a little bit slower than my Mustang, but it's really not that bad. Here, I'm just gonna... Yeah, so the acceleration is very linear. So yeah, that was 45 miles an hour. It's not too quick, but yeah, it was actually, I think, around the same speed that my Mustang was. This is an automatic, so it's a little bit, you know, faster with shifting and stuff, and I don't actually miss a shift. So yeah. But yeah, car is very fun. Anyway, cutting back to the normal, how do you want to say, tour of the car, I guess. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I can't think of anything else, except in the next vlog you'll see some more action with the car, and I'm very exciting. And I've already filmed some videos for the car, mainly installing the mods that I have, so you guys will see those too. I also will have a video on purchasing the car, so I'll be probably the next video, just like my life with the car and how it's been so far. So yeah, but anyways guys, that's me here for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.